when you need help, when you're out of options, and you need your voice heard. Better Call 4.
I would just like to get this resolved. I'd like my documents back so I can proceed with a different attorney.
Years after her mother died, a Central Ohio woman says she still has not been able to settle her estate because she can't get a hold of the lawyer she hired. She turned to Better Call 4, and I got some answers.
Jarrett's mother, Lydia Hardin, died in 2016, and as the oldest child, Jarrett was put in charge of settling her affairs.
My mother was in Cuyahoga County, and with me being here, it was a little difficult trying to get things done going back and forth to Cleveland. So I tried to find an attorney here to help me through that probate process.
Jarrett put out a request on legalmatch.com. One of the first responses came from Donald Cox, an attorney based in Orient.
He called me right away, like within a day.
Jarrett says she discussed everything with Cox, paid him a $1,000 retainer, and gathered the documents he requested, including
my mother's original will with her signature on it. I went ahead and got that together and actually took it to his house and put it in his mailbox. Well, months went by and I didn't hear from him.
Jarrett called Cox. She says he told her he was still working on it. But after another few weeks, Jarrett says again she heard nothing.
And then finally it got to the point where I called and the numbers were disconnected.
Jarrett began calling other attorneys, the Ohio Bar Association, Supreme Court, and the Grievance Committee, but was told this could take several more years to resolve.
I said, you know what? I'm going to see if NBC4 can help me out with this because this is getting ridiculous.
I got to work to get a hold of Cox. First, I found this Facebook page. The most recent post states Cox closed his office due to a terminal health condition. I continued my search. I found some phone numbers that were disconnected.
The subscriber you have dialed is not in service.
Eventually, though, one of my emails asking Cox about Hardin's will got through. I shared his response with Jarrett. Cox confirmed that he closed his business.
And then he says he does not have such a will in his possession.
Then where is it?
Cox told me he returned all documents to Jarrett.
One response was it was lost in the mail, he had to do a search, yada, yada, yada. Well, what's my next steps? If he cannot provide me with that will, because if it was lost in the mail, we may never see it.
And then suggests that you contact the Cuyahoga County Probate Court to ask for help in finding a Cuyahoga attorney to assist you in completing any necessary paperwork. Would you be okay if that were the case?
Yeah, I mean, I have no other choice.
So I reached out to Cox again about Jarrett getting some of that retainer money back, but I still have not heard from him. I also reached out to the Franklin County Probate Court for a little bit of guidance, and a chief deputy clerk told me if the will cannot be located, an estate can still be opened and assets will be distributed according to Ohio law. Jarrett says she is now looking into that option as well. Now remember, if you need help or you feel like you weren't being heard, you better call 4 at 614-212-4444. You can also visit our website, nbc4i.com/bettercall4, and tune in every Tuesday and Thursday evening at 5:45 to watch Better Call 4.